So children, now we will move to continuous series. Okay, questions of continuous series. So here I had written the question, that is class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and the number of students, that is frequency given. Okay, so first we will do it in direct method. Okay, so in direct method, you know what is the formula for direct method in continuous series? That is equal to sigma fm upon sigma f. Okay, so here m means what? Mid value. Okay, so how you will be finding out the mid value? Mid value is equal to how much? L1 plus L2 upon 2. Okay, so this is how you will be finding out the mid value. Okay, so here x f is given. Now according to the formula sigma fm, so for this m you need, so first you will be finding out m means mid value. Okay, so how to find out the mid value? L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So here L1 is 0 plus 10 divided by 2, so you have to calculate it. 0 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay, so you will be getting it 5. Okay, so here the first one is 5. Then 10 to 20, 10 plus 20 divided by 2, it is how much? 15. Okay, so in this way you have to find out. You will be getting mid value as 5, 15, 25, 30, 35. You got it, mid value. Now you got m and now you got f. So sigma fm, so fm means f into m. Okay, so here you have to calculate it, fm. So 20 into 5. Okay, so 20 into 5 it is 100. Then 24 into 15 you can calculate it. Okay, you will be getting 1000, 1260 and 900. Okay, so to find out sigma m you have to add it while you will adding 3620. Okay, and for sigma f, that means the calculation of f, add. Okay, you will be getting f का कितना आएगा? 140. Okay, so here you got sigma fm and here you got sigma f. So just put down it at the formula. Mean is equal to sigma fm is equal to 3620 and sigma f is 140. Okay, so you will be getting 25.86 is your arithmetic mean. This is how in direct method. Okay, I hope it is clear. Direct method, yes. Then if we move to shortcut method. Okay, so now we will move to shortcut method. Now in shortcut method, what is the formula for shortcut method? It is arithmetic mean is equal to a plus sigma fd upon sigma f. Okay, so here sigma fd upon sigma f. So here you are having f. Now you have to find out d. Now how you will be getting d? तो d के लिए what formula I told you? d के लिए m minus a, that is mid value, isn't it? See, m minus a, mid value. Okay, now what you have to find out? Mid value निकालना है सबसे पहले. So to find out mid value, as in the last question, this is the same question. Mid value we had already got it. Mid value का क्या formula है? L1 plus L2 divided by 2. Okay, so L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So you will be getting here 5, then 15, 25, 35 and 45. Okay, so it is mid value you got it. Okay, so now mid value got. Now to find out d, d के लिए m आ गया. अब a के लिए क्या है? assumed mean. So assumed mean means आप कोई भी एक assumed mean ले सकते हो with the variable x. So as you can see, आपका x variable, it is in class interval. So the mid value you had already got it. So from this mid value you have to take out your assumed mean. Okay, so here I assumed mean, we are taking it as 25. Okay, so d means d is equal to m minus a. Okay, so you have to find out d. D means m and assumed mean how much we had taken? 25. So m है 5, d is 25. So 5 minus 25 is equal to minus 20. Okay, d निकालने के लिए m minus a you will be doing. Okay, then minus 10, then 0, then 10, then 20. Okay, now you got d also and you got f also. Yes, now to find out sigma fd, you have to just multiply it, f multiply by d. Okay, so 20 into minus 20, you'll be getting minus 400. Here it is minus 240, 0, then 360, and here 400. Okay, so sigma FD you got. Now just add it and get the answer as 120, and sigma F, that means it is 140. So according to formula you got both the thing, sigma FD, sigma F, and A also you got it, है ना. So just put down the formula. Arithmetic mean A हमने माना था 25 plus sigma FD is 120 upon sigma F is 140. Okay, so just you add it, 25 plus divide it, you will be getting 0.86. Your answer will be 25.86. Okay, so here you can see in shortcut method you got 25.86, and in this direct method also you got 25.86. Okay, so any method you use you will be getting the same answer. Okay, now direct method finished, shortcut method finished, and now we will move to step deviation method.